Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel dedicated to high-performance motorcycles. Today, we have something truly electrifying to showcase. Join us as we delve into the world of pure speed and electric power with the incredible Lightning LS-218. The Lightning LS-218, often dubbed the fastest production motorcycle in the world, is a machine that defies expectations. Let's begin by talking about its groundbreaking powertrain. At the heart of the LS-218 is a powerful electric motor that delivers instant torque and exhilarating acceleration. With a staggering 200 horsepower and 168 pounds-ft of torque, this electric beast can outperform many traditional gas-powered motorcycles. The LS-218's design is not just about aesthetics. It's a product of extensive engineering for maximum performance. Its sleek and streamlined bodywork minimizes drag and enhances stability at high speeds, allowing the rider to experience pure speed with confidence. The Lightning LS-218 is not just about raw power. It's also packed with advanced technology, with features such as regenerative braking, adjustable riding modes, and a sophisticated battery management system. It offers a cutting-edge riding experience. On the road, the Lightning LS-218 is truly a force to be reckoned with. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, and it has a top speed that surpasses 200 miles per hour. It's a true testament to the capabilities of electric motorcycles. The Lightning LS-218 is not just a marvel of engineering. It represents the future of high-performance motorcycles with its electric powertrain. It showcases the potential of electric vehicles in the realm of speed and performance. Thank you for joining us on this electrifying journey into the world of the Lightning LS-218. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, ride safe and keep embracing the power of innovation.